Sizzling up your English, cooking verbs and actions. Hello everyone. Today we're going to spice up your conversational English with a focus on cooking verbs and actions. Whether you're discussing your evening routine, sharing a recipe, or simply talking about your love for food, these words are going to come in handy. Before we get cooking, we need to prepare our ingredients. Here are some key actions you'll likely use. Wash. Before using, always wash your fruits and vegetables. Peel. For some dishes, you might need to peel potatoes or apples. Chop, cut, slice, dice. After washing and peeling, it's time to chop, cut, slice, or dice your ingredients into pieces. Grate. Need some cheese topping? Then you'll probably grate some cheese. Measure. Cooking often requires precise measurements of ingredients, such as flour or sugar. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's get cooking. Boil. If you're making pasta, you'll need to boil water. Stir, mix. When combining ingredients, remember to stir or mix them together. Bake, roast. Are you making a roast chicken or baking a cake? These actions happen in the oven. Fry, sauté. Fry your onions or sauté your vegetables to get them just right. Grill. If it's a sunny day, you might decide to grill some burgers outside. Simmer. After bringing a soup or sauce to a boil, you'll often let it simmer. Season. Don't forget to season your dish with salt, pepper, or other spices to enhance the flavor. We're almost done. Our meal is ready, and it's time to serve it. Serve, dish out. When everything's ready, serve or dish out the food to everyone's plates. Taste. Before serving, it's often a good idea to taste your dish to make sure it's delicious. Eat, dine. At last, you and your guests can eat or dine. Enjoy the meal you've made. Clear. Clean up. After enjoying your meal, don't forget to clear the table and clean up the kitchen. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with some important vocabulary related to preparing and having dinner. Remember, the more you use these words in your daily conversation, the more comfortable you'll become with them. So go ahead, talk about your cooking adventures, share your recipes, and discuss your favorite meals. We hope this video has been helpful and that you'll join us again next time. Happy cooking and happy learning!